Hi friends, what's up? Welcome to VidaPurpose. I'm Miranda and today I'm going to be making these easy protein-packed pancakes. They're so delicious that they'll be the best start of your day. So let's get to it. Welcome to my kitchen. We're going to start by cracking 2 eggs into our mixing bowl. Add a teaspoon of baking powder into our mixing bowl. Our protein source, apart from the eggs, is going to be this protein shake with 6% of protein, and we're going to add 1 cup into our egg mixture. Beat everything until nicely combined. Peel and grate 2 apples. Add the grated apple into the egg mixture. And continue to beat until nicely combined. Add 1 cup, 200 grams of rolled oats into the apple and egg mixture and combine. For extra flavor, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla powder. As my mixture turned out a little bit too wet, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. Combine without overmixing. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a pan and let the heat expand the oil. Once you've checked that it's hot enough, you can start adding the batter of your pancakes into the pan. The batter won't change too much in size while cooked, so make sure to shape it into the desired size. Once the pancakes start bubbling, try and flip it. And if it's not ready yet, then let it cook for a couple more seconds. Flip your pancake and let it cook for a minute or so in the other side. Patience is key while making pancakes. Give them the time to get just right. This recipe makes around 8 protein-packed pancakes, and they're just delicious. I like to eat them with some yogurt and some maple syrup. This time I had some banana laying around. Just delicious. So recommended. Guys, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the process, and I really do hope that you try them because they're so delicious and easy to make. So win-win. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Cheers.